down like I was nothing but loyal to you and for the start. You changed up on me and so it's been to give it up. I've always seen.
This is JD300 high-speed mask forming and cutting machine independently developed by our company. The main features of the machine are as follows. High-speed production with a minimum of 300 pieces per minute and a daily production capability of more than 350,000 pieces. 24-hour uninterrupted production. High durability. The processing precision reaches mill grade, thus improving the product safety and aesthetics. Automatic deviation correction for incoming materials, improving the yield of the finished products.
This high-speed face mask cutting making machine will definitely be the right choice of you.
Focus DG Technology Company presents to you